Hi, my sweet friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a fun video for you handbag girls and my purse friends and purse lovers. Today, we're going to be talking about the Michael Kors Morgan Center Zip Tote. So yes, you guys, if you like handbag videos, remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me. Let's go ahead. Let's get started. This should be fun talking about this today. You guys, today is such a warm day. It's supposed to hit 100 degrees in Chicago, you guys. So if you're in the Midwest, all my Midwest sisters, Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, Iowa, you guys try to stay cool today in that weather. Let's go ahead. Let's get started. So today I have a reveal from Maxx. If you watch my channel, you know, basically I'm kind of in the middle of a Michael Kors series. I love Michael Kors bags, and lately I've been picking up a few from Maxx. So let's go ahead, let's jump right in. This should be fun. Let's talk about this beautiful bag. So I picked up this Michael Kors Morgan Center Zip Tote from Maxx, and here she is right here, you girls. And she is a beautiful tote bag. So here she is right here. And basically, I've been carrying the Michael Kors Trista. I have her sister right here, or her cousin. This is the Michael Kors Trista in the black and brown. This beautiful tote bag. I've been using that as a work bag, and it has been able to just help me with all my needs. I've been able to carry everything to work. Basically, my contents are right here that I wanted to share with you girls. So I have a Michael Kors pouch that I've been using with the Trista. And basically all the contents that I've been using in the Trista, I'm going to now start using in my Michael Kors Morgan right here. So I'm basically just going to switch everything over and do a quick bag switch to my new bag. I'm going to be enjoying this Michael Kors Morgan in my collection. And if you notice, you girls, I also have a couple of Michael Kors in the lovely vanilla and pale pink right here. I've been really into the vanilla color from Michael Kors, which is the white color. And you see this center zip tote came in various colors. It came in a lovely pink as well as in so many other colors. And I decided to go ahead and pick up the lovely brown caramel color right here. So this is a beautiful brown, like a taffy brown color with the vanilla. And I think, like I said, eventually I'm going to have to go ahead and treat myself, you girls, to a Louis Vuitton in Damier Azur for the summer, because I mean, I've been picking up so many Michael Kors with the white vanilla color that I think, you know, my collection is going to just gradually move towards eventually picking up a white Louis Vuitton Speedy in the Damier Azur color, because I'm loving this vanilla color so much in my collection. It looks so nice with all your summer clothes and with denim and all the colors that you're going to be wearing on a hot day, like I said today in the Midwest. The white color from Michael Kors looks so nice. And then you can see, look at that blue, how beautiful that blue is on this same tote. She came in so many beautiful colors, the Morgan tote from Michael Kors. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this tag off because I want to start enjoying this beauty in my collection. But this is her right here. I definitely am going to come back and do a review and show you, you know, go through the ins and outs of this bag and the total interior of my lovely Morgan right here. But look at how pretty she is. Now, this bag doesn't have feet, but it's all coated canvas. So lovely for Michael Kors. Michael Kors, when he initially started with all of his handbags, when I initially many years ago started purchasing Michael Kors bags, I was purchasing all leather bags. I wasn't purchasing any coated canvas. And over the years, Michael Kors has incorporated coated canvas just like Coach and many other brands. So this is a nice canvas because it's wipeable. So it serves as a really good work bag. And this center stripe, I know Coach at one point did a collection. It was a varsity collection. I was trying to think of what it was. Coach did a varsity collection that had this stripe right here. And when I think of varsity, you know, you think of football teams and the college teams and things like that. Coach did a varsity collection, as well as I know Dooney and Burke has some sports theme bags, but this center stripe tote to me doesn't really, he calls it the center stripe tote, but it doesn't really have that same varsity feel to me. Like I said, it feels so casual. It looks so nice with the coated canvas, and it's going to look nice with all my summer dresses and summer clothes. And I just wanted to go ahead and talk about this lovely bag today. Now, another thing I wanted to tell you girls is for you ladies like Ty Lindsay and some of you other handbag girls out there, go ahead and check out Amazon for some accessories for Michael Kors, because I was able to pick up these 2 lovely notebooks from Amazon, and they were very affordable. Now, I know Michael Kors does offer on his website a Michael Kors notebook and a Michael Kors pencil pouch. However, if you check out Amazon, you girls, I got your back. I got you covered. Trust me, these notebooks by Michael Kors are much more reasonably priced. You can get them off Amazon a little cheaper than on the Michael Kors website. So I wanted to make sure I had a deal for you girls. Check out these lovely notebooks because they were just, just a couple of bucks, just a couple of dollars on Amazon. And they go so well. They're going to go so well for you at work with your Michael Kors bag. They match the vanilla in the center striped tote so well. And the brown looks so lovely as well. You're going to be able to wear that with the center striped tote, or you can go ahead and use the brown notebook with, like I said, my lovely Trista tote over here. It would look really nice as an accessory with that handbag as well. So I just wanted to go ahead and cover you girls with, some accessories for Michael Kors, since we're here talking about that today. Next, I have a few other things that I had. My Trista tote here came with this lovely wristlet. So that was like a 2-for-1. The price of my Trista tote was so reasonable, and I was able to go ahead and pick it up with this lovely wristlet that I've been using for work. I had in here, you girls, a couple of pens that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. These pens are so nice. I know all of us have picked these pens up, but let me tell you a quick story about these pens from the Dollar Tree. I started using one of them at work, and it lasted about 2 weeks. And then it ran out of ink on me. And then I switched and I went to my other lovely diamond pen from the Dollar Tree, and that one ran out of ink. So I guess the moral of the story is these pens are beautiful from the Dollar Tree, but it looks like their lifespan, they're only lasting me about 2 weeks at work. And I'm not doing that heavy writing, but they're lasting about 2 weeks. And then I have to go ahead and move on to, another pen. But I can't toss them. I just can't find myself to throw them away, bring myself to throw them away, because the little diamonds are just so, so cute. But I definitely wanted you girls to check out these lovely tote bags. And, you can get them from the Michael Kors website, Michael Kors online. Or, like I said, you could pick up this lovely beauty at TJ Maxx. And Nordstrom always has you covered for Michael Kors tote bags. Browsing through the store, you're going to be able to find so many beautiful tote bags by Michael Kors. There's a similar one to my Trista, and that bag is called the Michael Kors Jane tote that you see on the screen right now. It's so lovely. It comes in so many beautiful colors for Michael Kors, and he is such a great designer. When he does his coated canvas pieces, as well as some of his clothing is so nice. Michael Kors knows how to design really, really nice clothes for women. He does junior lines for juniors, but he has a nice Mrs. line that the clothes fit you like a glove. But I absolutely love these tote bags by Michael Kors. So I wanted you girls to go ahead and browse with me through Nordstrom and take a look at some of those handbags. So the next thing that I wanted to talk about that I'm going to be carrying in my Jane tote is a little bit of makeup, you girls. I picked up this Caboodles kit, and it's so adorably cute. And I wanted to go ahead and, like I said, carry it with me to work. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. This is the first time I'm opening it, you girls, and we could take a look at it together. I hope I could go ahead and get this open. I think I will be able to, and then we could go ahead and look at all the contents in here. Look at how beautiful that is. I don't want the mirror to blind you girls, but it basically has a lot of little goodies in here that I'm going to be able to carry with me to work. There's let me go ahead and put this like this so it doesn't blind you girls, because there's a mirror in the kit as well. There you go. Now you could see everything that's in there. There's some eyeshadow as well as some lip gloss, a little highlighter, and blush for your cheeks. So I figured I would go ahead and pack my lovely Michael Kors tote bag for work with this nice little caboodles kit as well. So I'm going to be enjoying this Jane tote by Michael Kors, as well as my lovely Trista. And I hope you girls stick with me, I guess, for the remainder of my Michael Kors series, because I'm going to be unboxing some more Michael Kors items, and I'm enjoying, go ahead and rejuvenating my Michael Kors collection with some of these lovely vanilla coated canvas handbags. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more fun videos on Michael Kors, and I'll see you ladies in another video.